What is going on, everybody? Today we are taking a look at a new tool. That's this here. And let's get to it. It is PSD Designs Monkey Wrench Spanner Tool for Strider and Hinderer knives. So, I got this off of Monkey Edge. I'm not sure if there's any affiliation with Monkey Edge in this tool, and that's why they call it the Monkey Wrench. I'm not really sure. But I did get this off of Monkey Edge. I thought it was a really cool tool. The fact that it'll do pivots for both Hinderer and Strider knives all in one tool. They give you these nice little rubber ends to protect your bits, your bit ends. So that is the Hinderer. So let's check it out. Yep, locks in there pretty good. You can see it's turning the pivot. There seems to be just a little bit of a gap, and it's a little wiggly, but it's not slipping at all. It's staying locked right in there into that pivot. So you're not worried about slipping, or you don't want to mar these, especially if you get custom, inserts or custom pivots. You don't want any slippage for sure. So it's pretty secure. This is the 3-inch, so obviously it's small. I don't think there's a big difference from the 3-inch to the 3.5-inch. Ooh, yeah. See, that really on the Strider, it locks right in there. There's no gaps, and it is totally secure. I mean, it's locked in there nicely. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I thought it was really cool, the fact that you can have two separate tools for two different knives. You don't have to buy a different one. I mean, because obviously with that pin, not that you necessarily need it necessarily with the Strider, but it certainly does help you prevent you from slipping. I mean, especially on the Strider, this tool really locks in to that pivot. So if you need to break any Loctite that somebody maybe did on a pivot or anything, I mean, this thing is really going to get in there. It's not slipping or anything. It's secure. So this was $70 at Monkey Edge. Not too bad. You're getting two tools in one. The Hinderer tool, which is a single post type pivot tool, I think the bare bones one is like $70-$80. So, and you're getting two different ends for two different knives. If you even have both knives, some people do, some people don't. It's a love-hate relationship between Strider and, I don't know. Most of the days, I don't think anybody really has any problems with Hinderers. I mean, he's kind of knocking it out of the park with his knives these days, but some people still have a love-hate relationship with Striders. But if you do have both, this is a pretty nice tool. I like how it has this long post going this way, so you're not going to slip on the tool. You have a really good grip on it. It's got some weight to it. Yeah, you're not going to slip. If you got to break Loctite free, I mean, you have a nice grip on this. So if you're going to have to use a couple different tools to break some Loctite or anything like that, I mean, this is going to take care of that problem. So definitely like it. And price comparison wise, I mean, this is well built. Can't tell if it's two pieces. It doesn't move or anything. It almost looks like it might be two pieces machined, but maybe it's Loctited. Yeah, it's hard to say. But yeah, it seems like it's well made, and it's got some weight to it. It's made out of 440C heat treated tool steel, so that's pretty nice. I like it. If you guys want, check it out. They have it over at Monkey Edge. I'll throw a link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.